Today I wanted to unbox and share with you about the Impactful Health Shower Filter. This shower filter removes chemicals like chlorine and heavy metals like lead, mercury, nickel, and chromium from water. The filter attachment is safe and effective for showering and bathing and has a safe inner coating that will not dissolve metal into the water and can be used in hot or cold water. The thing that is so great about this filter is that it's an easy and effective way to soften tap water and remove toxins which help prevent problems caused by hard, chlorinated water. Things like dry hair, hair loss, asthma, eczema, skin irritation, dry skin, dandruff, itching, and overall greater health and energy. And now I'm going to take a minute and talk about the actual filter. This filter is a 15-stage shower filter that includes KD55, calcium sulfate, coconut activated carbon, and more. They remove heavy metals like chlorine, organic contaminants, and other impurities from the water. The PP cotton and stainless steel mesh removes sediments from the water, as well as the ceramic balls, and the ion exchange resin removes chloramines and alkalizes the water. The filter is also quick and easy to install and universally fits standard shower and handheld shower heads. On the box, you're going to see a very clear and simple 4-step installation process that can be done in minutes. Here's what's in the box. In the box, you'll also receive an additional long-lasting filter, a free ebook on how to keep your skin looking young, as well as tips on how to prolong the lifespan of the cartridges. Thanks for unboxing and overviewing with me the Impactful Health Shower Filter.